SEGA clone system. Street of Rage Special Edition. Let's go! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video it's time for a new SEGA clone system. This is the 20-in-1 SEGA clone Street of Rage edition. But this is not our typical system. No, this is AtGames. So you know what we're going to get. But I don't care, I just wanted to make a review about it. Alright, it comes with 20 games. Let's zoom a little bit in. Alright, so the games are pre-built in this thing. It looks not bad. Bonanza Bros, Decap Attack, of course Street of Rage 1 and 2. I have really no clue why there is no Street of Rage 3. Golden Axe is also a very strange thing. I'm hoping they're having Golden Axe 2 because they have 1 and 3. But I think we're going to need to figure out what are we going to get if I'm just connected to the upscaler, because I'm going to use an upscaling device for this one. Alright, so let's do a little unboxing and let's see what... Oh for fuck. It's upside down. Alright, so what are we going to get? It comes with the deluxe manual with some explanation, I'm guessing, about the controls. Ooh, even every game has some... Okay, every game has some little explanation. And no, there is serious no Golden Axe 2 and no Street Rage 3, okay. We have it here, EV out cable, power supply. It comes with 2 controllers. I'm hoping, oh my god, they're infrared. No! That is horrible. Let's see, they work on batteries. 2 AAA batteries. Okay, we'll put them in. And we have the system itself. I can tell you they used this model a lot, and there are so freaking many versions out there. You can use original games, so we're going to try that out. I'm going to try some multicars and other stuff to see if it is working. Ooh, we can use an original controller, so I'm very happy with it. So if the wireless controller sucks, I can always use an original controller. On and off, menu. It has mono sound out, 9V DCN and a little cheap power switch. Alright, this is what we're going to get. Let's hook it up and let's see how are the games. Oh yeah, so these are really crappy controls because this is infrared old technology. You need to put the controller in front of the system, otherwise it doesn't work. Oh, this is going to be fun. And I don't know what it was, but my second controller was just putting out signal. So the second one is broken. Alright, let's see. What kind of games do we have on the system? Yep, the game that they are saying on the box. Not many. So, okay, let's try Street of Rage 2. I use a splitter for the signal, otherwise I just had a mono sound. Oh. Oh. The colors are horrible. And keep in mind I'm using this upscaler that I reviewed before. It's just upscaling shitty. Really shitty quality screen. Alright, when pressing the menu button, go straight to the menu. Alright, and giving me the signal so you know how many hertz it's working on. Alright, Golden Axe 1. To be honest, I've already seen enough. What is that black or a white bar at the left side? Of course I'm going to press my wrong... Yeah, of course I'm going to press the wrong button. So I will search which button is for the super move now. Now I know. It's A. Just great. I must say, if you're putting the controller front of the system, it is not bad at all. The controller is very responsive. Okay, the first test we're going to do is playing Sonic 3. Wait, what? Reset. Oh, and now it doesn't do anything. Attempt number 2. Let's try Sonic and Knuckles. I think my Sonic 3 is... It's not really filled if you look at the connections. Okay. Okay, shall we try to connect Sonic 3? Let's see if it's even going to work. Sound is very poor. I cleaned the cartridge, but it seems to be that it doesn't recognize the Sonic 3. So, multi-cartridge is not working. Big fail if you ask me. It works with reproduction games. Mortal Kombat 6, 28 people! Oh crap! Reset. Yeah. Accidentally put the... If you're moving the cartridge within, it's going to freeze. Note to myself, be gentle Wicked, be gentle. It sounds really slow.
Fight. Get over here.
Oh yeah.
Get over here.
And you're done. Okay, so it is working with multi-game cards, for example, the 11201, so that's pretty damn awesome. For a bootleg system, not bad. Right, let's choose Bare Knuckles number 3. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, what did I say, Wicked? Does it work? Nobody, it doesn't work. It boots up the main menu, but it doesn't boot the games on the card. Okay, I have never experienced this before. Oh man, it sucks. Alright people, so for the final conclusion about this old AtGames 3D Rage edition. So if you're a collector and you're thinking, okay, I just want to collect these clone consoles, I can understand. Maybe it's fun collectible because it's 3D Rage, come on, 3D Rage is just cool. But if you want to play it, like a lot of these fake things, bad audio quality, mono sound, bad image quality. So and for the support, an EverDrive did not boot up. This one did boot up, but you cannot play games. Reproduction games or homebrew games, they work, so that's pretty cool. But if you want to play Sonic and Knuckles, that works. But if you're putting the Sonic 3 game on it, it doesn't work at all. Bummer. So if you look at the controllers, I must say the touch is not bad at all. I must say they feel nice. They play very good, but you need to put them in front of the sensor over here because this thing is prehistoric technology. I would say magic, but alright, so this is what we're going to get. And this second controller was just, I don't know, man, it didn't even work. So for collecting, maybe yes you can, but for playing with it, it's just a piece of junk. Alright, I want to thank you for watching. It was just a blast reviewing a new clone system again on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and check out the Wicked Gaming channel if you're into gaming. I love retro games. So, see you next time. Bye bye. Going to play some Street of Rage.